Nakita niyo po ba kung sino ang nag-approve ng grant para sa fourth quarter 2022 confidential funds?
Based on the documents submitted, si Office of the President po yung nag-approve.
That's correct. Opo, Office of the President. Pagdating naman po sa OVP 2023 confidential funds, yun po ay nasa General Appropriations Act. Do you confirm that?
Yes po.
And pagdating naman po sa DepEd 2023 confidential funds, nasa General Appropriations Act din po. Tama po ba?
Yes po.
And as a lawyer, you would know that the GAA is enacted by Congress. Tama po ba?
That's correct.
Now, yesterday, naalala ko po, natanong kayo doon sa time nyo sa ICFAO kung ilang Vice President ang na-audit nyo pagdating sa confidential funds. Alala nyo po yon?
Yes po, sir.
At ang sagot nyo po ay isa lang, si Vice President Sara Duterte, the respondent in this case. Tama po ba?
Yes po.
Tapos
Since I assumed in ICPAO in
Since-
2014.
Since you assumed in September 2014?
Yes po, sir.
Tama po. And you were asked, bakit si Vice President lang? Naalala niyo yung tanong na yun?
Yes po.
At ang sagot niyo po, kasi since you assumed siya lang po ang Vice President na nagkaroon ng appropriations for confidential funds. Tama po ba?
Yes po. Since September 2014 po lang nag-assume ako.
Apo.